Okay, welcome to our Nonprofit Operations Toolkit model-driven Power App. I want to give you a tour of the application today and pique your interest enough so that you connect with one of our launch partners following this session. So first, just a little bit about navigation. These are the major functions of the application that we're going to take a look at today. And we're going to start with the administration area. So this area is designed for financial administrators to control the essential building blocks necessary for most nonprofits. And this is where finance admins will manage core records and hierarchies such as planning periods that we see here, as well as GL accounts. Let's take a look at our GL function. You can see a nice array of GL account functions here. Funds, another core need for small and medium-sized nonprofits, as well as cost centers located across the globe. So that will give you a taste for what this is. Now, please note in this area, you can also manage capabilities for various office locations across different currencies. So this supports multi-currency, as well as business units within a single location. Now, when we navigate over to the master records area, this is where all of your critical records are going to be oriented in one place. And importantly here, we've got our projects, activities, and awards. Each record type has fields and values found in many nonprofits, for example, project types. But each area can be expanded to suit specific needs. And I want to go ahead and take you through here a little bit. Let's click on an award today. Given the situation we're in, let's look at the Understanding Global Healthcare Delivery Mode award. We're going to come in and see the award detail itself. We'll be able to navigate over and understand if there are any subcontracts associated with this award. There are not in this case. And what I can do as well is navigate over into the related projects associated with this global healthcare delivery model. I'm going to go ahead and click on this project. And now we're going to see a rich array of additional information, including the total obligation associated with this project, any agreements that are on file. In this case, we do not have any, and any time entries from your staff or expenses recorded against this project. Next, let's navigate over to the budgets and effort plans area. This is a centralized view of planned costs, both direct and indirect, to ensure adequate cost recovery. And let's look first at the project budgets area. These would be project budgets funded by awards or funds. We also have the budgets for cost centers located across the globe in some cases, and an ability to manage through effort plans. This would be a centralized view of how workers are anticipated to spend their time across both projects and cost centers. And then finally, we can manage to the worker cost schedule. This is a table maintained by the system to show individual worker costs over time. This is great for budget building and also for reporting back to funders. And then finally, let's take a quick peek at our time and expense capability. This gives finance administrators direct visibility into the largest contributors to project costs. We can see the timesheets for all employees or part-time employees associated with a specific project, as well as the expenses that they are incurring against that budget. And we take this a step further. We, along with this application, will be releasing a mobile app later this month that we want to draw your attention to. So let's switch over to the mobile view. I'm not on my phone today, but we're replicating the experience as if I was on my phone. But your employees, your staff, would be able to use this application to book both their time and log their expenses. Now imagine for a moment that I'm Delia and I'm using the tool to book hours against the global healthcare project that we looked at earlier. In addition, if I incur an expense against that project, I can enter that expense here, as well as quickly attach a receipt using the camera of my mobile device, keeping things nice and tidy, easy and quick for your staff. No learning curve for this, and very, very quickly adding value to your organization's needs. So thanks for taking a look with me today.